Samsung Electromechanics, which supplies camera modules to Samsung for Galaxy smartphones, intends to use inkjet printing in the production of smartphone lens modules. The Elect has discovered that replacing the films used within the lens modules to minimize flare and ghosting with non-glass ink will enable the company to manufacture the lens modules, and the camera will grow thinner. The new technology could make its debut in Samsung's Galaxy S26 smartphone series, which will come next year. Samsung intends to apply inkjet on the ribbed surfaces inside the lenses. These are the outer margins of where each lens receives light. Ribbed surfaces hold the lenses in place. However, some light may bounce on these surfaces and reach the image sensor, resulting in flare, ghosting, and other phenomena that reduce picture resolution. Currently, films are applied on these surfaces to suppress light. Using non-glass inks instead of films for this effect will make the lenses thinner by reducing the distance between them. This allows for more flexible lens design, such as lens modules used in smartphone cameras, which stack numerous lenses in the optical axis. Various lenses are put together. There are 6. The lens is known as a 6P lens. Using lenses of varied shapes bends more light, resulting in improved resolution. Making smartphones slimmer is a market trend. Samsung just introduced the Galaxy S25 Edge, which has a thickness of 5.8 mm. So without being said, let me know your thoughts in the comment below. If you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.